Hello, I am Robot Marie. No, don't worry. Robots haven't taken over the world. I am not really a robot.
I'm Marie. Robots are becoming more and more human-like. Some people are fearful that robots will replace humans in the future, but I think we're more likely to work together with a robot and become friends. Just like how Argo's a robot, and he's my best friend in the whole world. Robotics is our future. Just look at Sophia. She was created by Hanson Robotics to be able to have human social interactions. She's appeared on multiple TV talk shows and can even sing a duet with you. In today's experiment, we'll be engineering our very own robot arm that can pick up objects. For this experiment, you'll need corrugated cardboard, string,
Plastic straws,
all-purpose glue, a pencil, scissors, clear tape. Draw a hand on the corrugated cardboard and cut it out. Add in joints to the fingers by bending the cardboard slightly with a ruler. Cut out longer pieces of cardboard to make the arm. Glue the hand to the arm as such. Tape the arm to make it stronger. Make 2 cardboard handles for the arm. Cut the plastic straw into small pieces that are about 1 inch long. Glue the straw pieces to the hand. Next, thread the string through the straw. At the end of the fingers, tie 2 double knots to prevent the string from sliding down into the straw. At the end of the string, tie a loop that is big enough for your fingers to go through. Now put your fingers through the loop and bend them to make the hand move. Try picking up objects with your robot arm. This robot arm and our human arm work in a similar way. The cardboard is like our bones. The string is like our muscles, and the straw pieces are like our tendons. The string guided by the straw pieces moves the cardboard fingers like just how our tendons and muscles help us move our arms and fingers. You can try adding in joints to your robot arm as well to give it more movement, or add in the upper arm section to make it even more similar to a human arm. As my favorite scientist Marie Curie once said, "Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood." Don't let fear keep you from exploring. See you next time!
To watch more, subscribe to our YouTube channel.